right, Chief Meteorologist Jackie Lair, I feel like you're a little envious of that little boy.
Yeah, I was never able to find a weather balloon growing up, but we talked about this, yesterday, talking about the blizzard of '96, talking about how that storm really sparked my interest in weather. So yeah, it starts at a young age where you get fascinated by weather, and we're going to be talking about some more wet weather on the way, though, back here locally, and we're also talking about back out towards Indiana. They're already tracking that system is going to be impacting our area for the day tomorrow. That low pressure system continuing to slide its way right across the Great Lakes region right now. That warm front will drift its way in, providing us still with more spring-like weather as we look ahead towards tomorrow and Saturday, before temperatures will be dropping as we look ahead towards the second half of the weekend. So again, showers will be returning as we get towards later in the day tomorrow. We're talking a soaking rainfall, though, into early Saturday morning, but like I mentioned, still remaining on the mild side out there for tomorrow and Saturday before we cool things off, and it turns a bit windy out there for the second half of the weekend. But high temperatures today, it did feel fantastic out there, although today's high temperatures not quite as warm as what we had yesterday, but we were into those mid-upper 50s for much of the area, and that still feels much warmer than the normal high for this time of the year, which should be into those middle 40s. So we're about 10 degrees above that through the day today. Temperatures out there right now, 30s and 40s for much of the area. 46 in D.C. currently, as well as Hagerstown. We're still hovering mid-upper 30s, though. Back out towards Manassas and Culpeper, eventually we'll see those overnight lows back into those upper 30s as we start off your Friday morning tomorrow, likely with more of those clouds building in. The wet weather holds off to at least right around midday, especially back out towards our westernmost areas, and then those showers will continue to work their way eastward. So I would say heads up right along the I-95 corridor just in time for that Friday evening commute. We're tracking that wet weather continuing to move its way across the area. By 7 p.m., much of it is mainly south of 66, but still can be tracking some of those lighter rain showers by that point. Then we should see a lull in the action before more of that wet weather will be building back in as we look ahead towards early Saturday morning. But like I mentioned, more of a soaking rainfall across much of the area Saturday morning into the early afternoon, before eventually that warm front drifts out, followed by yet another cold front drifting in late Saturday night into early Sunday. Some of these lighter rain showers could still be sticking around mainly east of the I-95 corridor as we look ahead towards early Sunday. Then we should be drying things out. We'll see a little bit of a break in the cloud cover as well as we look ahead towards later in the day Sunday. But yes, noticeably cooler, much more seasonable for this time of the year as we look ahead towards the second half of the weekend. And if anything, count on that chance for some snow showers breaking out towards the mountains as that cold air is trying to rush in behind that cold front. So we're going from high temperatures into those upper 50s Friday and Saturday, back into those mid-upper 40s for highs, especially into your Sunday afternoon. That wind, as we look ahead towards Sunday, is going to make it feel even colder. Still a bit breezy out there on Monday, and like I mentioned, much more seasonable for this time of the year. Middle 40s to start off the work week. Should be right around 50 Tuesday and Wednesday. And then Thursday, we're watching yet another system that could bring more rain showers as temperatures will drop back in those lower 40s for highs by the end of the 7-day.
All right, Jackie.